Good morning, gentlemen. I am happy to meet you again. I hope you are all fine. At this time I'll explain about prepositional phrase. What is the prepositional phrase? We know that prepositional phrases are groups or words which use preposition when we make complete sentence. In a prepositional phrase they lacks either a verb or a subject. A prepositional phrase has function as a unified part or speech. This type usually has a preposition and a noun or a preposition and a pronoun. I give some example. The ranger platoon walked up the hill. The ranger platoon walked up the very steep hill. The cone ice with sprinkles is for you. The cone ice with colorful sprinkles is for you. Now we see prepositional phrases which have function as an adjective. The gift inside the bag is yours. He is only one voice among many, but it will be heard. The shoe beside the brown one is the one I want to use. The area outside the boundary is dangerous to cross. Sometimes mother always puts some money under the bed. Prepositional phrases which have function as an adverbs. My shopping list needs to be put into my pocket. Until today, I never heard news about her. Against all odds, our cheerleader team won the competition. I will climb up the highest mountain in Himalaya next year. Until here, I finish my explanation about prepositional phrase. Thank you for your watching. And remember, always stay on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed, so that we can continue our discussion about subject for national examination for senior high school. See you soon.